So if you're wondering about how to make a will in New Zealand, firstly, under New Zealand law, the Wills Act 2007 states, a person of 18 years or over may make, change, revoke and revive a will. The options and typical costs to create your own will in New Zealand include: use a qualified lawyer to prepare a will for you. They typically charge around $350 to $850 for a single will and around $500 to $1,250 for a couple, depending on the complexity of the wills and if they have to make a visit to your home or hospital. 2. Use the services of a professional trust organisation. Their charges for a will are typically between $289 and $499 and can go beyond that amount if you need more consultation time, with additional charges from around $270 per hour including GST. Just updating a will can cost between $249 and $459. 3. Use an online form. The pricing varies and there's usually restrictions on what you can write within the available space and format and how many attempts at drafting and downloading you can have. There's also time limits on some services, so you have to pay again if you want to update your will later. The guides they provide are brief and leave out important explanations. 4. Get the DIY Will Kit for New Zealand from www.diywillkit.nz for a one-time modest cost. Once you have the DIY Will Kit for New Zealand, you can update your will at any time for the price of printing black and white A4 pages, which can be done for less than $3. The DIY Will Kit is easy to understand for an average person, written in plain English, not legal jargon. It includes a 38-page PDF format comprehensive guide with a clause-by-clause explanation to help you fill out a will form that's included, plus other useful documents to help you make a comprehensive will. After you've paid for the DIY Will Kit for New Zealand, you get immediate access to download it so you can become empowered to write your own will and create a great legacy. Go to www.diywillkit.nz for more information.